Welcome back to Keys. My name's Gary, and today for this 328 we're going to put an MST intake on it to go from this to this. So the first step to install your new intake is to obviously remove your OEM intake. So to start, we have to remove the MAF sensor and a vacuum line. So now we're going to remove the MAF sensor. What I like to do is get a flathead or a pick tool behind it just to help the clip, because you sit in here and get stuck with all the dirt and grime. Now that's off, I can show you a little better. So you're going to push the top part here and then get your pry tool or flathead under the bottom and push up. Now onto this vacuum line. This should just pop right off. So the next step is going to be to remove this clamp right here. Now that you got the sensor off and also the vacuum line, loosen the clamp, you should be able to pull the box right up. All right, so what I like to do is remove this section of the intake with this clamp here, just to give us a little bit more room for the inlet portion. So at this point, there's two ways that you can take this off here. You can take it off from the top, which will be easier for the most part, or you can take it off from the bottom. If you take it off from the bottom, it'll give you more access to this line here. What I'm going to do is the easier way. I'll take it off from the top and just go from there. Next, we're going to take this sensor off here, move that out of the way, and then go on to this part. So when I take it out, I'll show you the process to take it off. It's a little bit difficult and you won't be able to see. All right, so what I just did was I took the vacuum line off. As you see, there's two. You're gonna wanna pinch the bottom one, obviously, because on the inlet, it's really, really difficult. So you squeeze as hard as you can. Sometimes I've used pliers, but pinching worked on this install. So at this point, you're gonna need a 10 mil with a couple extensions like this, because there is a 10 mil right here that's connected to the turbo. Obviously, I can't show you that because it's in the car, but for example, that's where it is. Take it off right there. Now that I got this nut off, we're going to take the inlet out. One thing to mention, you can do it all from the top. If you're struggling, you can always lift the car up, take all the skid plates off and everything, and then it's a little bit easier from down there. So before you throw this piece of junk away, you're going to have to transfer this over to the MST intake. You're going to want to pinch both sides to remove it, but be super careful because as you can see, it's brittle. So let me get at it. That's not supposed to happen. So as you can see, it broke coming off. This part that it was connected to is in a million pieces all over the floor. So time to put this on the inlet and put it in the car. All right, now that we have this transferred over from the old pipe, we got it all fixed up. So it only goes one way, as you can see. Then put the inlet pipe on. Just don't forget about that 10 mil. All right, now that we put the inlet in, you just want to be careful when you put it in. You may have to tweak it around to make sure the gasket goes all the way on. We used a little bit of Vaseline to put it on. While we were there, we put this back on, and I clipped this hose back on off camera. So now we got to do the rest of the intake. All right, now once you put that in, next is the intake pipe. So we just have to take the MAF sensor and transfer it over. So you're going to want to use the supplied bolts, not the OEM, because they will break in the pipe. All right, so now we put the intake pipe on. So it's going to face towards the passenger side of the vehicle because the airbox is here now instead of all across the front. So at this point, we're going to put the airbox in, but because of this bracket right here, it won't go in properly. So we're going to have to bend this down and out of the way. You may not have to do that for your car, but just something that we did just to show you. Once you tighten the clamps down, we're going to put the filter on and then tighten this clamp down. All right, let's put the heat shield on. All right, now that the intake's installed, we're going to use this extension for the MAF sensor, and then we're also going to plug in this vacuum line. All right, now that everything's together, let's turn on, hear how it sounds. That's pretty awesome. And just like that, the MST intake's installed. It's for the electronic wastegate, so make sure you get the right one. My name's Gary. Thanks for watching Keys. Like, subscribe, and check us out at keys.com.